a new feature has now been rolled out. You can now get 10 times more views on your old videos and even your new videos henceforth by using this feature that YouTube just rolled out recently. Yes, though YouTube has rolled out this feature in the past 3 months and they were trying to test it with bigger creators, and now they are done testing it. They have sent out all the notification to all YouTubers to go and start using this feature. Now that this feature is new, it's going to give you a lot of subscribers, it's going to give you a lot of watch time, and you know what that means for new creators. Now you are going to get monetized very soon. So what do you need to do now? What you need to do is go to your YouTube studio and update it. Update your YouTube studio if you have not seen this notification on your YouTube studio. And now what you are going to do is that you are going to go to your YouTube studio and see this notification right here. Yes, that is the title and the thumbnail testing, which is the most important thing as a YouTuber, for every YouTuber, because in the time past when we are trying to upload videos, we'll be thinking of what are we going to put as the title. We are going to ask ChatGPT and everything. ChatGPT will give you like 3 titles to use. You have to, and it compulsorily choose one. But you have thought to yourself, what if I can just put 2 titles and then YouTube choose one for me, or put 3 titles and YouTube test them and choose one for me? Our prayer has been answered, guys. Yes, YouTube has heard our prayer and they have said, say no more. Now we are bringing out this feature, and here you are. Use it to your advantage. You are not only to use it for just your title, you are going to use it for your thumbnail. Yes, you are going to put in 3 thumbnails, 3 titles. What YouTube does to this is that YouTube is going to be testing those 3 thumbnails and 3 titles to 3 different users on YouTube. Do you see? More visibility. YouTube is going to test 1 thumbnail and 1 title to 1 user, the other title and the other thumbnail to another user, and the other title with another thumbnail to another user. Now check out my video right here that I posted yesterday. You can see the impression in just how many hours of posting. It's very high. Why? Because YouTube is trying to spread out these titles to so many users and test the title that will be well optimized for my video. Now once YouTube is done testing this title, because normally this video titles that are already put, the 3 titles that are already put, is going to run for days on my channel. That is, the video is going to stay on my channel for more than 24 hours or 48 hours before you to bring out the results of this A/B testing. This A/B testing is the best thing that can happen to every YouTuber right now. So what do you need to do? Run down to your YouTube studio, the Chrome version, that is the desktop version, and start implementing this thing right now before it gets saturated, before every YouTuber will start knowing about these updates. So you will be the first to start using this title and thumbnail testing to be able to optimize your videos and get more views now that it is fresh. Why am I saying this? Is because every new tool that YouTube brings out in the first 3 months, it usually functions 101% before it starts getting any error or any other dysfunction in it. Just like the YouTube collab. If you notice the YouTube collab, those that click into the YouTube collab, when they started doing it, they got a lot of views, they got a lot of subscribers. But now you see some people doing YouTube collab and they hardly get 20 views. That is what I'm trying to say. So now as a creator, this is going to give you an edge over every other person that is creating on YouTube. So now go to your YouTube studio. You are going to go to your YouTube studio, the desktop version. You can find this on only your video. The A/B testing is only available to your long form content, not your shorts, not your live stream. So when you go to the Chrome version of your studio, you will click on your latest video or any of your old video. Yes, that is how you are going to be able to. You click on any of your old video and then click on edit video. So when you click on edit video, even though that video has already gotten views before, you can now click on the A/B testing. You can see the A/B testing is already showing on the top parts of the video. So when you click on that A/B testing, before now you should have already have 3 titles that you want to optimize for this video, so that is going to give you a lot of visibility. So now you are going to input those 3 titles into the 3 column box you are seeing here. And if you don't want to use the title parts, you want to use the thumbnail parts, you would have already have a pre-designed thumbnail for this your video. 3 different types of thumbnail that is related to your video, not 3 thumbnail that is not related to your video, because some people want to put in thumbnail that is meant for another video topic for that video. No, don't do that. You need to put a video thumbnail that is related to that same particular video. Then when you do this, you are going to install it and then allow the YouTube algorithm to run the testing for you. You can come back in the next few days to check the results. The results usually looks like this when it has already come out. It's going to give you the highest, most performing title or thumbnail that resonates with your audience. So that is what you are going to click at the end of the day to run on that video permanently. That is how this thing works. And now, if you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Blessing. I teach tips, strategies, YouTube automation, and how to grow your YouTube channel organically on this YouTube space. Now, if this is the video you have been looking for, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and then if you found this video valuable, put it in the comment section what you think about this new testing. If you have done it on your channel, let me know, and what was the result. Let's chat on the comment section, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.